皆さん、こんにちは。尾形です。今日も一緒に漢字を勉強しましょう。今日は5つの漢字があります。Hello everyone, today we have 5 kanjis. 今日の漢字はとても難しいです。Today's kanjis are so difficult in terms of stroke and usage. Okay, let's start. では始めましょう。Okay, the first kanji is 行く 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Okay, please make a brush stroke here. 跳ねてくださいね。Okay, 6 strokes and the meaning of it, go, act, line, and roll a lot. Okay, radical, 部首は go and do. Okay, go and do. Okay. 訓読み is 行く and 行う. So look at this. 行く is to go, right? To go. And this is a casual form in speech. For example, you can say 明日行く 明日行く which means are you going to go tomorrow? 明日行く And this one 行う is to carry out something. For example, 東京でオリンピックを行います. In Tokyo, they will carry out the Olympic Games. 東京でオリンピックを行います。音読み is call and yo. Have a look at this. 旅行 is trip. 旅行 is trip. The next one is 行目. 行目 means line number. For example, in class, the teacher says, 3行目を見てください. Please look at the line 3. 3行目を見てください. The last one is 銀行. 銀行 bank. Okay, let's go to the next one. 2つ目に行きましょう。Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so 来る which means come or next. Okay, 部首 is tree. 訓読み we have a lot. 来る、来ます、来ない。来る is a casual form of come. Okay, 来ます is a polite form of come. 来ない is a negative form of this kanji. For example, 来る as I mentioned is to come. And in a casual speech, you can say 明日来る Are you going to come tomorrow? 明日来る Are you going to come tomorrow? And if you want to answer Yes, I will, you can say 明日行く. 行く is the casual form as well of go. 明日行く. Okay, the next one is 来月. We did it before. Next month. 来週 is next week. We did this kanji as well, right? 週 is week. 来年 we did this kanji, which means next year. 来日する is a new expression. To come to Japan. 来日する. Okay? The next one. Okay, this looks a little bit complicated. 帰る. 1, 2, it's katakana ri, right? It's like a katakana ri. And this one is also katakana yo, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so far 5 strokes. 1, 2, 3. This is the third one. 3, 4, 5. And 6, 7, 8, 9. Make a brush stroke here. And 10. Okay, 10. So the meaning is go home. 部首 we have 2. Katana, sword, or 布, clothes. 布, clothes. 訓読み is 帰る. So 帰る literally means go home. So in a casual speech, you can say, for example, 明日帰る which means I go home tomorrow. 明日帰る I go home tomorrow. 音読み is 帰. So 帰国. The second kanji here, 国 is a country. So 帰国 literally means return to one's country. お帰り is a very common expression to welcome someone home. For example, when your family member comes back home, you can say おかえり おかえり。And you can also say おかえりなさい。おかえりなさい is a very polite way of おかえり。You can use both. Okay? The next one. Okay, this is a very important kanji for me. 食べる eat. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7. Okay, 7. And 8, 9. 9 strokes here. Okay, the meaning of it to eat, as I mentioned, food as well. Okay, radical is itself eat food. 訓読み is 食べる or 食う。食う literally means eat, but do not use that much because 食う is a very boyish way, manly way to express to eat. So have a look at examples. 食べる is to eat, and 食う is, as I mentioned, the boyish way to eat. 食事する is a very formal way to have a meal. 食事する。Okay? 食べ物 is a noun, food. 食べ物 is food. And 学食 is school cafeteria. So 学 here means 学校, right? 学校, school. So 学食 is school cafeteria. Is everything alright? では次に行きましょう。Okay, this kanji is a little bit hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So far so good? 8. And then this kanji looks like 食べる, right? 食. But it's different because 食 has here, right? One more stroke. Okay, the right part is 1, 2, and then this part is like 人, human, right? 1 and 2. So together, 12 strokes. The meaning is to drink, to drink. And bushu is this one, same as 食べる, to eat food. 訓読み is 飲む. As I mentioned before, mu is 送り仮名. 送り仮名 is a hiragana part left after kanji. In this case, mu is 送り仮名. So 飲む is to drink, right? 飲む is to drink. You can say 何か飲みますか? Do you want something to drink? 何か飲みますか? The second example is 飲み物, which is a drink or drinks. And 音読み is in. So 飲食店 is restaurant or shops serving food and drinks. Okay, 飲食店. We say 飲食店 as well as restaurant. Okay, restaurant. The last one is 飲み会. 飲み会 is a drinking party or get together. Okay? 結構難しい単語がたくさんありますね。大丈夫ですか? Okay, 今日は難しい単語がたくさんありましたね。We had a lot of difficult kanji today, right? For example, 帰る is very hard in terms of stroke. 飲む as well. And 行く and 来る are very important verbs in daily conversation in Japanese. Okay, では最後に一緒に練習しましょう。リピートしてくださいね。行く、行う、旅行、業務、来る、来月、来日する、帰る、帰国、おかえり、食べる、食う、食事、学食、飲む、飲み物、飲食店。Okay, we had learned a lot of kanji today. So please review them and practice a lot when you have time. それではまた次回お会いしましょう。おがチャンネルでした。失礼します。またね。